Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you my custom Lego fridge that I've made. And just as I said, it's custom and I made it myself. And it actually doesn't use one of those mailbox pieces or like those containers because I don't really have those. So let's get right into taking this apart so I can show you how to build my custom refrigerator. So now I'm finished taking it apart, so I'm going to show you all the pieces I used. So I used these 1x2 connector pieces that they're like hinges that flap open and close. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that's a lot. 10 of these 1x1s. Oh, well, 1x2s. And then 4 of these 1x4 smooth plates. Let's put those away. And then I used 2 of these smooth plates that are 1x2s. And 3 2x4s. Alright, now let's get started. So first, start by surrounding this little area with 1x2s, except for this area. This is where the first door goes. This. And then let's get this 2x4, put it on top, and let's surround it again like this. And then let's do the same, except let's put this one first. And then cover it up. And then go around again. Everything like this, and then place the blue right here, and then the rest of the 1x4 tiles at the back. And that's my custom refrigerator made for you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. And also, wait a minute. Before we end this video, let's actually put something in the refrigerator. Let's say some ice cream. Just imagine this is ice cream, okay? And, well, let's stick it into our fridge. Let's put it into the freezer section, like that. And then when we want to eat it, just take it out like that. All right, now let's go back to finishing the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share with all your friends. I'll see you next time. Bye!